Hi, my name is Arun, founder of Bangalore Broadband Network Private Limited, named BBNL, founded in 2010-2011. City people in India are getting good education through better infrastructure provided by private organizations or institutions. But this is lagging in rural sectors or rural towns. A rural family cannot or could not afford to send their kids to good institutions like this or universities. Due to this, the rural kids are deprived of chasing their dreams. Developing an infrastructure and inviting private institutions to start in the rural costs a lot and also takes time. The only better solution we saw was internet. We felt if internet is provided to every residence and schools in the rural, then a family will get an access to the rich contents of education from all different type of schools, universities, or other type of organization all across the globe. This should help them in taking up online exams from other these universities or organizations to get certified and to come up in life. At the same time, this internet also gives them an option to start out their own business or work remotely or even become an entrepreneur tomorrow. Henceforth, we came up with an idea of starting internet in the rural. Instead of reinventing the wheel of building a new infrastructure and plan on marketing, we saw that the cable operators in India are already providing cable TV services to each and every residence and are already connected to each and every house using a technology called fiber. This fiber has the capacity to take data in gigabit speeds. By educating the local cable operator themselves, we can reuse this infrastructure to reach out to the mass. But by just taking internet would not solve the problem. We need to come up with an option where every residence has a user-friendly service to access the internet. The reason because most of the residents or most of the families do not even have a computer. But we could see one thing, they have a flat panel TV or an LCD TV, which has got a HDMI or a LCD, which is socket out there. So we did a research and came up with an idea of introducing an Android TV box. This TV box has an HDMI and other sockets out there, which will be able to connect to any TV and convert it as a computer display unit. Apart from this computer display, this device also has a camera built into it so that the family can communicate well, they can see, or they can communicate to their families with their friends, or even to their teachers outside in the world, or even to a doctor in any remote places out there. Apart from this device also has a hotspot facility where family, if they have any wireless devices, they can access the internet through this hotspot. Apart from this, it also has a remote mic where a family can actually sit a little bit far away distance from the device, can actually talk from a further distance out there. With this concept, a family can not only get education, but also browse the internet for other materials, or if they want to buy any products, they can actually buy, or they can even sell the product if they're manufacturing or they're designing anything. This is the wonder about the device which we have brought up for this particular community out. But since the cable operators are, here is another thing which we have seen. These local cable operators who are providing the service to each and every customer can also act as a logistics delivery people for the remote locations out there, thereby and also helping the economy to grow, right? In fact, I could bring, after we started this service, we are now connected to around 270 cable operators, catering to around 70,000 customers, turning to a revenue of almost 40 crores. And by helping them, we're able to see that they help the economy to grow by hiring more people, and this salary itself, the total salary by these 270 operators itself, has gone up to around 17 crores. So that clearly shows in the rural sector itself, there's a huge need and a huge economic growth can be seen. Now, in Karnataka itself, we have around 64 million residents, people out there. Now, going with the proprietary architecture is a costly affair, and it can be a burden on the business model. Henceforth, we have come up with a solution called SDN networks, where the devices are a bare metal device which runs on Linux operating system, which can cut the cost from almost lakhs to just around 50 to 60 lakhs machines to just around 2 to 3 lakhs. So that clearly shows by reducing a cost, we can reach out to the mass pretty fast. And this we expect to be connected to all over Karnataka, and expect the same options to be provided by other service providers in all across states in other part of India, and make sure they're able to join the digitization which is happening in India. Thank you.